with 400,000 miles since high temperature. Oh shit. He's 30 minutes away, so I'm gonna have to wait for him to come up here. Okay, so if you guys don't know, so far I did get picked up. My friend picked me up. He told me back home. Fuck, it was a fucking hassle, to be honest with you. It was a complete hassle. He strapped me down. He put a toe strap right there, and he just yanked it. So he gave me a ride to AutoZone, and we got a new thermostat. So this one supposedly opens at 170. I was looking for the one that opens at 140, just to keep the engine temp lower and cooler. But they didn't have it in stock, so I just went to this 170.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
It's loose. I already drained all the coolant out. I'm just gonna keep that bottle there, but I already disconnected the hose. I just got the 2 bolts loose already, right there. So I'm gonna loosen these by hand. So what I'm using is a wrench with the 12. It's a size 12. I'm guessing it's the same one as the bottom one as well, so we're gonna find out right now. Go. Move this thermostat. Oh, what the fuck? Well, that explains it. You see how crooked that shit is in the inside? I don't think it was supposed to be that crooked. I'm gonna clean it up real quick. Honestly, replacing the thermostat, it's actually pretty simple in this truck. I'm actually surprised. Thermostat supposed to go in like this. Okay, so this will go like this. Alrighty, now it's time to add some coolant. Let's see. Lord have mercy. Please don't spill it. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna spill it. Oh fuck, I'm still gonna spill it. Okay. Move this. Hola, better I don't do. Okay. Hold it. Okay. That's the first one down. Cold. We're gonna look at the temps. They're slowly climbing. Okay, so far heater's working. It's not overheating. Alright, I'm looking at the smoke right now. I'm trying to see if it's gray. Not bad. I mean, below. I don't know if you can see that. That's not bad at all.